Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Mr. Saucedo's YouTube videos. Today we're going to be going over our unit mystery, and it's a very simple question. Which of these reactions will produce the most gas? There's going to be a balanced equation you're going to write down. You're going to reproduce a table that I'm going to show you, and then we're going to perform the experiment. But before we do it, I want you to predict which reaction you think will produce the most gas. And then at the end, were you correct or incorrect? So the reaction that we're going to be looking at is right here. So this is baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate. I'm mixing that with vinegar, that's acetic acid right here. And we're going to be manufacturing water, carbon dioxide, and then floating around in the solution will be sodium acetate. So these are our 4 balloons, which are filled with baking soda. And then in the bottom of the Erlenmeyer flasks, I have 25 milliliters of acetic acid or vinegar, okay? It was originally going to be 50, but I changed it to 25. So this is the table. Make it look nicer than I did though. Balloon number 1 has 1.5, balloon number 2, 3.5, 5.5, and then 7.5 for balloon number 4, okay? Now here's kind of an interesting thing that I changed, like I said. We have 25 grams worth of vinegar, and it's 5% technically vinegar, okay? And so I want you to predict which balloon do you think will fill with the most carbon dioxide, okay? So make your prediction, and then I'm going to invert the balloons, and we'll see what happens, okay? There we go. This one got kind of stuck somehow. There we go. Oh man, this one's really heavy. All right, so I'm going to let this continue. I'll probably have to shake it around a little bit. Okay. And so the reaction's still happening, but that's balloon number 1. Reaction's still happening. That's balloon number 2. Reaction is still happening. That's balloon number 3. And then the reaction is still happening. That's balloon number 4. Okay? So take a look at them. I mean, yeah, they're still bubbling a little bit, but they're not really going to change size very much anymore. So which one to you looks like it has the most gas in it? Okay? I'll keep shaking some of them around. So which one of these? Looks like we're pretty much done though now. So let's take a look at the bottom here. Okay? The solution is bubbly, but is completely clear at the bottom. For this one, a little bubbly, but you can see, it looks like there's some stuff floating around in there. It looks like there's some extra sodium bicarbonate. Here, same thing. There's a lot more sodium bicarbonate stuck at the bottom here. And then in the last one, there's tons of sodium bicarbonate stuck in the bottom. Okay? But take a look at it from a distance. Which one looks like it has the most gas in it? Was your prediction correct? And what questions do you still have?